Hello everyone, today we will be opening a Wilds Unknown Lorcana Illumineer's box.
Yeah.
Let's open it.
Ooh.
Wow, that's a lot of booster packs.
Can you show them the other stuff first?
Oh, we found the lore counter.
Oh, nice little counter.
What's in here? Let's see what's in here.
Alright.
It's like Riftbound runes. But let's see what it is, and let's.
Those are dividers.
Huh?
Dividers.
Fighters?
Dividers.
Yeah, dividers. Okay.
Can you show them the
Now we got
packs?
our booster
How
pack.
many booster packs?
Let me count. 6.
Can you check? Oh, I think there's 2 more.
Oh. 8.
Okay. Ano pa nasa box?
Oh wait, we found another thing.
Ooh,
Dice.
yeah, I see.
Wait, there's a lore.
Ooh. Some dice.
And I found even more stuff.
Let's start opening boosters.
Yep, let's start opening
I'm
boosters.
going to give me all of them. Sige. Ito muna.
One by one.
And then I'll just cut the rest. There you go.
Okay.
There. Can you get me those?
Okay.
I'll cut them.
All of them? Okay. Okay, we got our cards. We found Preston Whitmore. He's a 4-6. I'm reading it first.
Okay.
Price of Progress. When you play this character, you may put the top 2 cards of your deck into your discard. The small quote at the bottom. I promised all of you I'd keep your secrets. And Preston Whitmore always keeps a promise.
No, I think you just show the camera the card because otherwise the video will be super.
Super duper duper.
Yan, alright.
Super what?
Super long.
Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Yung Macintosh. 4-2. Alam ko! We've got the strength and we've got the swords. What vine could stand against all of that? Right, ta? From yun, Macintosh. 2 lore.
Right here. Yeah. Dito. Yeah.
Next, we got Prince Eric.
Yeah, alright.
Of all the items in Ariel's Trove, something about this particular sword called to him. He knew it was meant to be his. 1 more. 5 cost. Bashful. Evasive. Only characters with evasive can challenge his character. 2 lore. 5 cost.
Bashful. Okay.
Next It's an action song. A character with custody or more can exert to sing the song for free. Each opposing character gets -2 this turn. And the name is Someone Will Lose His Head. Are you kidding me?
Someone will lose his head. Okay. I need to read everything.
Next, we got the Shepherd's Journal item. Margin notes. When you play this item, you may look at the top card of your deck. Put it on either the top of your deck or into your discard. Key to the puzzle. 1 ink, banish this item. And turn another item card from your discard into your hand. Next, Hamish, Herbert, Hubert, and Harris. 2-3. Making mischief. Stay quiet. This character may enter play excerpt. The trap. At the end of your turn, if this character is exerted, chosen opposing character can't ready at the start of their next turn. Mr. Incredible, taking out the trash. Kapow! When you play this character, you may deal 2 damage to chosen opposing robot or villain character. 4-4. One more.
Is that a
Oh,
Be careful
hero
with the
work.
cards, huh?
Action. Your characters get +1 damage this turn. Your hero characters gain whenever this character challenges another character, each opponent loses 1 lore and you gain 1 lore this turn. Next, the claw item.
Ooh, the
The
claw.
claw chooses. Exert 2 ink, banish 1 of your characters. Return chosen opposing character to their player's hand. Quote, trust in the claw. It shall lift us from this terrible place. Alien. Next, it's a location. 1, whatever this is. Ano ito?
There's a one. Ayun yung ano niya, yung cost to move to the location.
1 cost to move to a location for defense. Lost to the dunes. Oh, I forgot to say the name. Leviathan's Lair. Dangerous ground. Lost to the dunes. When this location is banished, each opponent chooses and banishes 1 of their characters.
Bipolar.
The quote is unable to read. 2 lore.
Alright. I have 7 packs to go. This one.
Oh, this one's empty.
Yeah, that one's
Oh,
meron
there's
pa
still.
naman. Oh, okay. It's a common.
It's
That's
just
fine.
the queen and this thing.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, we
Can you
got
show
our
the card
next
before
booster.
Can you show the card before reading them if you want to read them one by one?
Okay, first we have Urk. Remote controlled ruler. 3-2! This character, low batteries. This character can't quest or challenge unless you pay 1 ink. You pay this cost each time. Racing around Andy's room is fun, but he really loves going off-road. 2 lore. And 1 cost. Next, Pterodactyl Janie Doll. Double transplant. During your turn when this character is banished, each opponent loses one lore and you gain one lore. Quote, the first step of her transformation is complete. From Sid. Next, we have Angus, Mighty Horse. 3 cost. Dauntless. When you play this character, chosen character gains alert this turn. They can challenge as if they had evasive. 4-3. Next, Monterey Jack, Watchful Ranger. Next, we have another Bashful. 5-3-6. Evasive. Only characters with evasive can challenge this character. Quote, oh gosh! 2 lore. Next, we have Kaida, Guardian of the Path. 2 cost. 2-3. Natural defense. When you play this character, choose an opposing character, gains 2 damage. Minus 2 damage this turn. I may be far from home, but I still know how to snare an intruder. From Kida. 1 lore. Next, Roller Bob, Sid's Storm. Oh no. 3 cost. 4-3. Time to move. When you play this character, you may put 2 character cards from your discard on the bottom of your deck to give this character rush this turn. They can challenge the turn they're played. Next, Isabella Madrigal. Such a lovely voice. I wonder why she's here. This is a Toy Story box.
No, it's not just Toy Story.